Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. So today is Tuesday, and the date is the 9th of March 2021. We are learning a new lesson today. Our lesson will be about scientists and how do scientists think? How do scientists think, ya Khalid? What do you think? How do they think? The way they think.
I didn't know.
You don't know? Try. Can you try?
Okay.
They do what?
Mm,
Yesterday we learned about things that they use. What do they use?
ruler.
Very good. Ruler. What do you call a ruler? Please do not write on my screen. A ruler, a pan balance, a scale. What do you call them?
Mm,
Please do not write on my screen.
um, balance.
Okay, balance and a ruler and a hand lens. What else? These are what? Are machines? Are they machines?
No.
What are they then? Books?
No.
Okay, Khalid, what do I call them then? Thank you. Thank you for trying. Who can tell me? What do I call them? Yes, ya Hamza.
What do I call them?
The ruler, the pan balance, they are science what? Science books? Science toys? Or what are they?
Science tools.
Excellent, ya Hamza. They are science tools. So scientists need science tools. Very good. Thank you. You can close your mic. Today we are going to learn how scientists think. They need tools, of course, but what is the way they think? Let's see the slides over here.
Welcome to the lesson, How Do Scientists Think? In this lesson, we're going to look at one possible way to investigate. The vocabulary words for this lesson are investigate, hypothesis, draw conclusions, and communicate.
All right.
Click each word to find out more about it.
First of all, scientists, they investigate. Okay, what do I mean by investigate? Do you remember the cartoon Conan, Detective Conan? Do you know the Detective Conan? Have you ever heard of Detective Conan? Have you ever heard of Detective Conan? Okay, he's a person who always like to find about the truth. He always look about for answers, always looking for the truth everywhere he goes. Everywhere he went, he asked a question and try to answer the questions, trying to find the truth about everything around him. But scientists, they do investigate. They ask questions, but they ask questions about what? What do you think scientists need to ask about? Do they ask about the playground? Or do they ask about the school? Or they ask about life? Do they ask about toys? Or what do they ask about? Do they ask about environment? What do you think scientists interested in? Yes, yeah, Ismail. Let's see Ismail. Sorry, this is Ahmed. Hi, Ismail. Ahmed, it's by mistake. Please do not open the mic.
What did you say? I forgot.
Okay, scientists, what they are interested in. Are they interested to ask questions about toys, about building houses, or life in general?
Alive in general.
Excellent. They are interested to ask questions about life and everything in life. So this is what scientists interested in. Investigating or investigate means to ask questions about the world around you and try to find answers. Okay? Very good. Very good. Let's go to the next slide then.
What would it be like if the only light you had indoors came from candles? What do we use now instead of candles? Light bulbs. You get to use light bulbs because of Benjamin Franklin. He told the world about his investigations.
All right. We have a scientist called Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. Who is Benjamin Franklin? Benjamin Franklin, he's the one who invented the light. You see Hamza. You see Hamza.
Salim's mic is open.
Okay. So Hamza, who's Franklin? Who's Benjamin Franklin?
Miss, you open my mic.
He's the one who invented what, ya Hamza?
He's the one who invented
the light. Excellent. Yes. He's the one who invented the light. If he did not invented the light, we would be living on candles until these days. Do you guess it's a good idea to live on candles until these days? Or having light bulbs are really good thing? Imagine if we are at night and we don't have light, how would we live? So scientists thinks about everything goes around us. How did Benjamin Franklin invented light? Can you tell me? Try to guess. How did Benjamin Franklin invented the light? Can you try? Who can try? Come on, guys. I need you to participate today with me. All right, Hattan, can you give me your opinion? What do you think?
Yes, what?
Okay, Benjamin Franklin, he invented the light, Hattan. How do you think, okay, how do you think he got this idea?
From asking questions.
Very good, excellent. He was asking questions. Can you guess what are these questions? Are you still here? Are you still here, Hattan?
Yes.
Okay, can you try to guess what are these questions? What did he ask?
He asks, how do candles work?
All right, or maybe, is there any sort of light other than candles? Can we manage living without candles? So he did an investigation, and when he did his investigation, he asked his question, he answered the question, he made his invention, then he shared with the world his invention. He told the world about light bulbs. He told the world that, guys, we can live without candles, we can use other stuff, let me tell you about it. So this is what scientists do. They try to make life easier and try to invent things things by asking questions at the beginning. So a start of every investigation or every, let's say, every invention needs to be asked by a question, just like Franklin over here. Thank you, Sal. Thank you, Hatan, for helping.
Is there something that you'd like to know more about? If so, you want to investigate. Scientists investigate to learn more about the world around us. When they conduct an investigation, they follow certain steps. Do you know what they are?
Yes, ya Talal.
Click the pictures to learn
Also, we
more.
can use
Start by
light
clicking
with
the top
lamps.
picture.
Very good. Okay, Franklin, he's the first one who invented the lights. That's why nowadays we have lamp. Now, if you want to know any information about anything, what you are going to do is you are going to make an investigation whenever you need to know about anything around you. Maybe you take a look around you and you look at the PlayStation. You say, oh, how is this working? How is this incredible machine can amuse me? Why? Why I have so much fun when I play PlayStation. So when you are wondering about the world around you or things around you, you are investigating. To investigate, to learn the information, you need to follow steps. So you need steps to make your own investigation. Please, everyone, I need you to focus with me to learn these steps, and tomorrow you will answer me about them. You will tell me what did you learn and what are these steps, okay? Are you ready? Let's start.
There are many different ways to investigate the world around you. What is the best way? Well, the first thing to do is to observe and ask questions about what you want to investigate.
So number one is to observe and ask a question. When you observe, you use your 5 senses, remember? You use your eyes to see, your nose to smell, your ears to hear, your hands to touch or feel, and your tongue to taste. So sometimes you smell something really good, and when you are sitting in your living room, your mom is already cooking in the kitchen and you smell something really good. You think about it. What might my mom is cooking? I smell something sweet. So now, after you observe, you used your sense of smell, you already asked a question. So step number 1 is down. Let's see the second step.
Guess what? Scientists use what they already know to make a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a statement that can be tested. It is based on things scientists have observed.
All right. After you observe and you ask a question, you use what you already know about these things to answer your question. This answer is not for sure, but this is a hypothesis. And a hypothesis, you can make a test about it. So let's stick to our example. When you smell something really good in the kitchen, ya Ahmed, okay?
Okay.
You smell something really good, all right? You smell something sweet. What do you think it is?
Candy.
Okay, maybe it's a candy, or maybe your mom is cooking a cake, baking a cake. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know?
You know what?
How did you know that your mom is baking a cake? Because you already know the smell of baking a cake?
Yeah.
So you used something you already know to find out the answer of the question. This is a hypothesis. Can you make a test about it, ya Ahmed? How can you examine your answer?
By observe.
I think you will go just right to the kitchen and see if she's really baking a cake or not. So now you can make a test about your hypothesis. Thank you. Thank you, Ahmed, for trying. Thank you very much. All right, let's try something else. What about you, ya Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman,
What?
let's see. You are sitting on the living room, your mom is cooking, and you smell something. Tell me, what are you smelling?
Cake.
Huh?
Cake.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, maybe you are smelling a
My
pizza.
mom is not cooking now.
Okay, maybe she's not cooking now, but later, if she's cooking and you are playing in your room, maybe you can smell of. Can you smell the cooking?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think what might mom is cooking?
No.
You have never thought of it? Okay, who wants to participate with me?
Nuggets
Okay, how did you know that she was cooking nuggets?
because we're from the smell.
You know from the smell. Okay, so you answered your question based on something you already know. You already know the smell of nugget. Can you make sure if she's cooking nugget or not? You will make a test about it.
Maybe nuggets, maybe burger.
See, now you are not sure. So you can make a test about it. How you will test your answer, Ya Abdurrahman? You will go right away to the kitchen and find out if she's cooking nuggets or burger. Thank you, Ya Abdurrahman. Thank you. Okay, let's see Hamza. You see Hamza?
Yes.
You are raising your hand.
Can I go bathroom?
Of course, my love. Of course, you can go back to bathroom. Okay, dear boys, if you want to go to the toilet or drink water, no need to raise your hand. Just close your mic and your camera. Go back quickly and come again, okay? When you come again, open your camera again. Okay, so now we know the word hypothesis. What do I mean by hypothesis? Who can tell me what is the meaning of hypothesis? Come on. All right, I think you need to open the book with me so you can underline the word hypothesis and understand it more, okay? Let's open the book. I'm going to tell you the page number in a minute. To think like a scientist, you need to follow steps. The first step we said is observe and ask a question. Number 2, you can answer this question by a hypothesis. Why I name it a hypothesis? Because you can test this hypothesis. You can test your answer. You can make sure if your answer is correct or wrong. All right, everyone. Let's open to page 26. Let's open to page 26 together. Please, I need to see your books. Open your books to page 26. I'm going to write down the page number. Page 26 and 27. I'm gonna maximize the. All right, everyone. Page 26 and 27. What do you see? What do you see, Ismail?
I see one boy and one girl.
One boy and one girl. These two kids, what they are doing?
And they are talking.
Yes, he is asking a question and she is answering. Now let's see what he's asking. Can you read, Ismail? What is he asking?
Tolerance is sprayed faster in cold water or warm water.
So he wants to investigate. He needs information, ya Ismail, about his question. He observed something. He found the food coloring, and he wonders now. He needs answer to his question. He wants to know, does food coloring spread faster in cold water or warm water? What she's saying to him, she gave him a hypothesis.
She
What
says
did
food tolerance speeds is sprayed faster in warm water.
Okay, this statement is it can it be testable? Can you test what she said or not? Of course, you can try. You can bring 2 cups, cold water and warm water, and try.
I don't have a coloring, a food coloring.
It's all right. I would like you to try this one in your house today, tomorrow, at the weekend. I want you to try it and tell me about it. Does food coloring spread out faster in cold or warm water? I want you to try it at home and tell me which one will spread faster. So to investigate is to plan and do test to answer a question or to solve a problem. Now, please, everyone, underline with me, what does it mean, investigation? Investigation means to plan and do a test, to answer a question, or to solve a problem. This is how you investigate about something. Like for example, this boy, he asked a question. He needs the answer. To get to the answer, you need to make a plan and do the test. Is that right or not? Very good. Very good. What about the answer that this girl gave? This girl gave him already an answer, ya Hamza. Her answer is a hypothesis. What does it mean, hypothesis?
Hypothesis
Mm-hmm.
is a statement that can be tested.
Excellent. So you can make a test about what she said. Whatever you say, and it is testable, it is a hypothesis. So whenever you are answering a question, okay, and you can test this answer, you are making a hypothesis. Okay, boys, that's enough for today. We're not going to take more than that.
The class
But
finished.
we still have 2 minutes, my lovely Hamza. Yes, we still have 2 minutes. So please make sure that you underlined in your book. If you finish, show me your book, please. Let's say bye-bye to recording. I will be sitting here with you for 2 minutes more to make sure that everyone underlined. Bye-bye recording.